Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. Today we're going to talk about the multi-tool. Dremel makes one, but now Ryobi makes one that is battery operated. So let's go ahead and test them. Do a Dremel vs the Ryobi and see how it goes. Alright, so here we go. So I've had this Dremel for this Dremel multimax. I've had it for about 8 years or whatnot, and I've decided to go with the Ryobi multi-tool, and there's a few reasons for it. One, it's the Dremel is pretty heavy when you're doing a lot of work, and the other thing is the cord always gets in the way. It's very difficult to work with. It's kind of annoying, to be honest with you. So I decided, hey, you know what, let me go ahead and try the Ryobi multi-tool, battery operated, extremely light. It does have up to 6 speed here, so you can adjust it. The Dremel one has it up here, but the Dremel actually goes all the way up to 10, so it does give you a little bit extra power using the Dremel, okay? But for this test, I'm gonna make sure I leave both at 6. This one's a 6 as well. I have a piece of wood here that I wanna go ahead and kinda cut across to see how far we can get with it. So let's give it a try. Okay, so let me go ahead and start with the Dremel multi-tool. I need to plug that in. We're gonna go ahead and turn that on. As you see, it does a very good job. Okay, so let's go ahead now and try the Ryobi. Put the battery in there. Let's turn it on. So it's just as good. I would say even cleaner cut. And it does also have a light to kind of show you what you're cutting if you're in a dark spot. But I'm loving it, to be honest with you. The weight on how light it is definitely worth it. It also has a lock mechanism here. So it's locked now, as you see. I'm not touching it. So yes, do I recommend the Ryobi multi-tool? 100%. Go ahead and get yourself one. They're not that expensive. They're about $60, and you can go ahead and use any of the Ryobi batteries. Well, there you have it, guys. That Ryobi versus the Dremel multimax. Thanks for watching the Vera Projects. Go ahead and press like on the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another tool review.